Hello students, welcome to CDS Quest YouTube channel. In previous class, we have learnt trigonometric ratios. Now, we have to remember sign of trigonometric functions in 4 quadrants. We have to remember the signs of trigonometric functions in 4 quadrants. This is quadrant 1, this is second quadrant, this is third and fourth. 0 degrees. Add 90 degrees, so it becomes 90 degrees here. This angle 90 degrees. Again add 90 degrees, it becomes 180 degrees. If you add again 90 degrees, it becomes 270 degrees, 360 degrees, 450 degrees, 540 degrees, 630 degrees, 720 degrees, 810 degrees, 900 degrees, 990 degrees, and so on. If you add 90, 90, 90, 90, it will give some more angles. Now, in first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. Positive. All trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Only sine and cosec are positive. Remaining trigonometric ratios are negative in second quadrant. Next, third quadrant. Third quadrant. Here, tan and cot are positive. Tan and cot are positive in third quadrant. Next, fourth quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Here, cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive in fourth quadrant. These are the signs of trigonometric functions in these 4 quadrants. Okay. Next, complementary angles. Complementary angles. Sine is complement to cos, and cos is complement to sine. Tan is complement to cot, and cot is complement to tan. Sec is complement to cosec, and cosec is complement to sec. What is meant by complementary angles? Two angles are complementary when their sum equal to 90 degrees. Let me explain it. The triangle. In right angle triangle, sum of three angles equal to 180 degrees. One angle is already 90 degrees. Remaining 90 degrees is let A, B, C. Angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees. So these two AC angle A, angle C are complementary angles. This is the actual meaning of complementary angles. The sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Then the two angles is said to be complementary angles. Next, sine 180 plus theta, cos 360 minus theta, tan 0 plus theta, sine 90 minus theta, cos 270 plus theta, tan 450 minus theta. When theta is added or subtracted with this 180 degree, 360 degree, 0 degrees, or by increasing this value 0, 360, 720, 180, 540, 900, and etc. If theta is added with these angles, the trigonometric function This is the trigonometric function. There is no change in trigonometric function. That means sine 180 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Here the trigonometric function is same, but before it minus symbol is came, because I already said 180 plus theta. Here is the 180 degrees. Here is the 180 degrees. Plus theta in the sense it comes to plus. When 180 plus theta in the sense it comes to third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan theta and cot theta are positive. Remaining all trigonometric functions are negative. So sine is negative in third quadrant. That's why here it is minus sine theta. Next, cos 360 minus theta. Cos 360 minus theta. That is cos theta plus cos theta. Plus cos theta. Why? Because why plus? Plus is because of in fourth quadrant cos is positive. We already know. Trigonometric function also not change. No change with trigonometric function. Next, tan 0 plus theta. 0 plus theta in the sense it comes to first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So plus tan theta directly. Plus tan theta. Next, when theta is added or subtracted with this 90 degrees, 270 degrees, 45 degrees or these angles 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 810 degrees or 270 degrees, 630 degrees, 990 degrees and etc. If theta is added with these degrees, then there is a change in trigonometric function. It becomes, it changes to its complementary angle, that is sine complementary to cos, that means cos theta. 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta comes to first quadrant. Here is the 90 degrees, minus theta in the sense it comes to first quadrant. So all are positive in first quadrant. That's why it is plus cos theta. Next, cos 270 plus theta. First of all, it is 270 degrees. So it becomes cos to its complementary angle. What is the complementary of cos? Sine. Sine is complement to cos. Cos is complement to sine. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta comes to fourth quadrant. Here is the 270 plus theta in the sense comes to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. I already told this. So it is positive plus sine theta. Next, tan 450 minus theta. Tan 450 minus theta. First of all, tan is changed to its complement, that is cot theta. Cot theta. 450 minus theta. 450 is here. 450 is here. Minus theta in the sense comes to first quadrant. That means all are positive in first quadrant. So it is plus cot theta. Understand? When theta is added or subtracted with 90, 270, 450 these angles, the trigonometric function is changes. When the theta is added or subtracted with 180 degrees, 360 degrees or 0 and so on, then there is no change in trigonometric function as it is. Okay, just remember this. Okay, okay. Next, let's do few example problems, few previous year question problems with regard to complementary angles. First problem, sine 19 degrees divided by cos 71 degrees plus cos 73 degrees divided by sin 17 degrees. Find the value of this. Sin 19 divided by cos 71 plus cos 73 divided by sin 17. First, sin 19 degrees divided by cos, we can write 71 degrees as 90 minus 19 degrees. Yes or no? 90 minus 91 is equal to 71. So we can write 71 as 90 minus 90 degrees. 90 minus 90 degrees plus cos 73 degrees divided by, we are not changing with the numerator, only we are changing with denominator. Okay, sin 90 minus 73 degrees. 17 degrees is 17 degrees can be written as 90 minus 73 degrees. 90 minus 73, 17 only, no. That's why 17 degrees is written in this form. Okay. Now, sin 19 divided by cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. When theta is added with 90 degrees, 270 degrees and vagara vagara, then trigonometric function changes. I already told you. So cos changes to its complement, that is sin 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. 19 degrees minus theta in the sense it comes to first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So that's why theta sin 90 degree, 19 degrees is positive plus cos 73 degrees divided by just 73 degrees divided by sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta. So it is adding with theta is adding with 90 degrees. So trigonometric function changes to cos, its complement, cos 73 degrees. 73 degrees. And 90 minus 73 in the sense it comes to first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, so it is positive. Sin 19 degrees, sin 90 degrees, cos 73 degrees, cos 73 degrees, it cancel. 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2 is the answer. Here 1 is left, here also 1 is left. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. This is the recent PYQ problem. Okay, let's do the another one. The question is like this: to sine 68 degrees divided by cos 22 degrees minus 2 cot just 15 degrees divided by 5 tan 75 degrees minus 3 tan 20 degrees tan 40 degrees tan 45 degrees tan 50 degrees tan 70 degrees divided by 5. This is the question. Find the value of this question. Now, no need to disturb the numerators, just to disturb the denominators. Sin 68 degrees divided by cos 90 minus 68 degrees. 22 degrees is written as 90 minus 68. 90 minus 68 is 22. Sir, no. So 22 is written in this form. Minus 2 cot 15 degrees divided by 5 tan 90 minus 15 degrees. 75 degrees can be written as 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75 only, no? So it can be written in this form. Next, minus 3 tan 20 degrees tan 40 degrees tan 45 degrees tan 50 degrees can be written as 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20, 50 degrees only, no? So tan 50 can be written as tan 90 minus 20 into tan 90 minus 40. No, here is 40, no? Just wait. 90 minus 40, 50. 50 degrees can be written as 90 minus 40, 50. Here 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20, 70. Okay. Divided by 5. Now, this is 2 sine 68 degrees divided by cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Cos is changed to sin 68 minus 2 cot 15 degrees divided by 5 tan is changed to cot. Cot 15 degrees minus 3 shall I write in the next page? No problem. I will take the second slide. Their space is not enough, so I will take the next slide. 2 sine 68 degrees divided by sine 68 degrees. Yeah, cos 90 minus 68 degrees, cos 90 minus theta, sine 68 degrees. Okay, directly sine 68 degrees minus 2 cot 15 degrees divided by 5 cot 15 degrees minus 3 tan 20 degrees into tan 40 degrees into tan 45 degrees into here tan 90 minus 40 degrees. Tan 90 minus 40, cot 40. Cot 40 degrees. Next cot 50 degrees. 20 degrees, sorry. 20 degrees. Here cot tan 90 minus 20 degrees, that is cot 20. Cot 20 degrees divided by 5. Divided by 5. Sin 68 get cancelled. Cot 15 get cancelled. 2 minus 2 by 5 minus here 3 tan 20 tan 40 divided by 5 into this cot, this tan. When it comes to the denominator, that means reciprocal of cot is tan. No, when it comes to denominator, it becomes tan 40 degrees, tan 20 degrees. In the numerator, we are left with tan 45 degrees. Everything is completed. 3 came tan 20, tan 40, tan 45. Cot 40 is written as tan 40. Cot 20 is written as tan 20. In previous class, I have told tan theta, cot theta, reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta now. So that's why when cot theta comes to denominator, it becomes tan. Okay. Here also tan 40, tan 30, tan 20, tan 20 get cancelled. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. This value is equals to 1. Yesterday I have told 45 is to 45 is to 90. That is 1 is to 1 is to root 2. Tan 45, 1. We have to remember the trigonometric ratios. Next, 2 minus 2 by 5. Here we are left with 3 divided by 5. That means LCM is 5 here into 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 2 minus 3, that is equals to 5 divided by 5, that is equals to 1. The answer is 1. Just check from the starting. This is also important PYQ. Important PYQ. Okay. This is one method. If you want to, why denominator I am changing, you are going to ask that. You can change numerator also if you are convenient to do anything else, either numerator or denominator. Change anything, anyone, you will get the same answer. If sine theta, sine 68 degrees can be written as sine 90 minus 22 degrees. Here cot 15 degrees is written as cot 90 minus 75 degrees. Then also this one get cancelled. You will get the same answer. In previous problem also, this problem also, no need of changing denominator. You can change numerator also, either numerator or denominator. You have to change any one so that you will get the answer. Okay, you get the answer, same answer. Next, PYQ. Tan 8 theta is equals to cot 2 theta. Then find the value of tan 5 into theta. Find this value. We know when tan and cot is equal, when they are complementary. That means 8 theta sum of its angles is equals to 90 degrees. 8 theta plus 2 theta is equals to 90 degrees. Then they are equal, they are complementary. Okay. 8 theta plus 2 theta, 10 theta is equals to 90. Theta is equals to 9 degrees. Substitute this value in the place of theta directly. Tan 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45 degrees. That is equals to tan 45 is 1. This is the answer. Only two types. In complementary angles, only two types. One is this type, 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta. Changing numerator or denominator, any one, you will get the answer. This is the first type, and this is the second type. Complementary angles, only two types. Only this one and that. Only two types. Okay. Next. Start with the very important formulas regarding trigonometry chapter. Very important. Most of the questions comes from here. These identities, trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. First one. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is the first formula, first identity. Send this cos theta to right hand side. Sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Next, when sine is sent to right hand side, cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. This is the first identity. First identity. Very, very important identity. You have to remember this identity. Second identity. Second. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Send tan square theta to right hand side. Sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. When sec square theta is sent to right hand side and 1 is sent to left hand side, tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1 minus 1. Just send tan square theta right hand side, 1 to left hand side. You will get this formula. Okay, this is the second identity. Next, third identity. Third identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Send this cot square theta is equal cot square theta to right hand side. Cosec square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Send cot square theta to right hand side and 1 to left hand side. Then cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Cosec square theta minus 1. This is the third identity. Third identity. Next, from this second identity, this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We know this formula from algebra. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Convert this equation into this form. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Sec theta, then sec theta plus tan theta into, I think here also place is not enough. I will take the new slide. Sorry. I will take the new slide. We know sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to, send this to right hand side, 1 divided by sec theta minus tan theta. This is the formula. This is the formula you have to remember. Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This is the important formula. Next, we know with the third identity. What is the third identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This is also in the form of a square minus b square. You have to convert it into a plus b into a minus b form. Cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. Send this to right hand side. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 divided by cosec theta minus cot theta. This is the another formula. Important formula. This formula also you have to remember. Okay. Next, actually the sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, cot 2 theta, this is not in our syllabus, CDS syllabus, but sometimes when we look at the PYQs, there is a use of this sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta values, but without this formula also we can solve by using rationalization or componendo dividendo. We can do them, we can solve them, but to save the time you have to by hand only for the sake of saving time. Within the less time, if you want to solve the problem, then these formulas you have to remember, otherwise no need. But these are also important formulas. These formulas are also important. Okay. Sin 2 theta, that is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta. Another formula to the sin 2 theta only, that is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the sin 2 theta formula. Next, cos 2 theta, that is equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and the other one is, this is also formula for sin cos 2 theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and the other is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and the other is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the cot 2 theta formulas. Next, tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Next, cot 2 theta is equals to cot square theta minus 1 divided by 2 cot theta. These are the 2 theta formulas. Just note down or take a screenshot. This is the sin 2 theta formula. The next one cos 2 theta, tan 2 theta, and cot 2 theta. These are the formulas. Now let's do few PYQs. Okay, so that how to use these identities you will get an idea. The problem is like this: sine square 25 degrees plus sine square 65 degrees. What is the value of sine square 25 degrees plus sine square 65 degrees? You have to change any one, either this or this, to the cos theta value. I will do this one. Okay, sine square 25 degrees plus sine square 90 minus 25 degrees. 90 minus 25, 65. 65 degrees I have written like this. I written like this. 65 degrees is written as 90 minus 25. Sine square 25 degrees plus sine 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos square 25 degrees. Now this is in the form of identity, first identity, sine square theta, sine square theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta, first identity, no, that is equals to 1. So this value is equals to 1. This is the answer for this problem. This is a PYQ. Okay. Okay. This is in the form of this formula. Next, let me do the another one. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to m. Then find the value of cosec theta. He is asking cosec theta value. He has given cosec theta plus minus cot theta is equals to m. Then he is asking this value. We know from the identity to second identity, third identity. What is the third identity? Here is the third. This one. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. This is the formula. Cosec theta minus cot theta is m. Then cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to its reciprocal. Its reciprocal in the sense 1 by m. Reverse of this 1 by m. Solve this. Solve this two equations. Minus cot theta plus cot theta get cancelled. Cosec theta plus cosec theta 2 cosec theta, that is equals to m plus 1 by m. Cosec theta is equals to this 2 goes to right hand side in the denominator. That is m by 2 plus 1 by 2m goes to the denominator. This is the value of cos theta. Okay, this is also important PYQ because this question is repeated 2 to 3 times. I think so. This question is repeated 2 to 3 times in trigonometry. In CDS exam, trigonometry, from trigonometry chapter, few questions will repeat. Few questions will repeat. In that repeated question, this is the one question. It is repeated 2 to 3 times. That's why it is important. Maybe in future class, in future exams also, this question have chances to repeat again. Okay, so that's why it is the important one. Next PY. 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta. Find the value of this question. This is also important PYQ because this question also repeated, I think 4 to 5 times. I think so. This question is repeated 4 to 5 times in the CDS exam, CDS mathematics exam. Okay, so this is the important one. If you take common, sin theta in the numerator and cos theta in the denominator, that means sin theta, if you take common, we left with 2 sin theta sin square theta minus 1 divided by cos theta. If we take cos theta common, we left with 1 minus 2 cos square theta. If we take minus common from numerator and denominator, minus sin theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by, if we take from the denominator minus common, minus cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Under the bracket, the values, it becomes when minus is take common, this minus plus 2 sin square theta becomes minus and 1 becomes plus. When minus common get took common from the denominator, 1 becomes minus and 2 cos square theta becomes plus. Okay, okay, 2 get cancelled. Now what is the value of this 2? These both are equal. They are cos 2 theta formulas. This is the formulas. It is cos 2 theta here. These are the both values. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. These are the two values which are here. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So these both are equal. So cut them. We just left with sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta is the answer. Okay. Next. Yesterday in previous class we have done few specific values of trigonometric ratios like sin 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees, tan, cot, like that. No, I forgot one question to say in that previous class, so I will tell that one problem here. After that I will close the session. The problem is tan alpha plus beta is equals to root 3 and tan alpha minus beta is equals to 1 by root 3. By seeing this only, we have to get the idea of what is the value of alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. I said 30 is to 60 is to 90, that is 1 is to 1 is to root 3 is to 2. I said this triangle 30, 60 and 90. 1 is to root 3 is to 2. This is in the form of tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. What is the tan 60? Opposite side by adjacent side. Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 in the sense root 3. So compare this both. What is the value of theta? Alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equals to 60 degrees. That is alpha plus beta is equals to 60. Next, from here also tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3. From this we compare these two. When you compare these two, you will get the answer. Alpha minus beta is equals to 30 degrees. So alpha minus beta is equals to 30 degrees. In place of alpha minus beta, 30 degrees. Have to present. Next, solve this 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. Solve both. Beta beta get cancelled. 2 alpha is equals to 90 degrees. Alpha is equals to 45 degrees. Then substitute alpha substitute alpha in any equation 1 or 2. Substitute alpha in any one. Then you will get beta is equals to 15 degrees. Now what they are asking? They are asking the value of tan alpha into cot 2 beta. This value they are asking. We know the value of alpha and beta. Alpha is 45 degrees, beta is 15 degrees. 15 to the 30. Tan 45 degrees, we know it is 1, and cot 30 degrees is from here we have to say. See here 30 degrees. Cot in the sense adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is root 3. Root 3. 1 into root 3. Root 3 is the answer. This is the